What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And, well, the Hemis are running. I had so many people being like, fake news, you don't have any evidence. No, they didn't. They're not running them, even though multiple people at Sterling Heights were like, yes, we're running Hemis right now. We're 100% running Hemis right now. Well, let me roll the intro, and then we'll just rub it in their faces that, yes, they're running Hemis right now. So what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. So I was told, like, oh, they're not running Hemis. You don't know what you're talking about. You're full of ass, blah, 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 blah. That's what I've been hearing, right? And then this happened. So this shows that they ran a Hemi pilot, and you can see the date in the image. Now, I had to block out a bunch of stuff because I don't want to get the employees that are sharing that information with me in trouble. But yeah, you can clearly see that they just ran a Hemi pilot and one of the Ram Chargers. One of the Ram Chargers and a Ram 1500 Hemi just ran down the line at Sterling Heights Assembly on May 6th. It's right there. It can't be any more clear. Just saying. Like, it's clear as day. Now, what does that mean? Just what I said, that they were bringing the Hemi and that they are building the Hemi, and it's not, it's not like it's just going to be in August. They're manufacturing them now. But, look, I think I'm gonna take some of y'all's advice where y'all say just don't even respond to the comments and say I don't know what I'm talking about, because it's funny. I say something and then it takes a month or two and then it happens, and then I try to go back to those comments and they're magically deleted. They deleted them because they don't want to get called out or exposed. Because some of them have Mopar channels, some of them have social media profiles, whatever. So then I'll go tag them. Because, see, here's what I do. When somebody hits me with the, oh, that's not going to happen, this, that, and the other, I screenshot it. I don't say anything. I screenshot it. Especially if they have any type of profile social media-wise. And then I'm like, what's good? And then I'm just like, what's up? What's good? Explain this to me, because, I know you're like, damn. But anyways, the news of the day is this. Not a really long video. The Hemi is in production. It is running, as you can see in the image provided. Track record, still intact. Still probably one of the best in the industry when it comes to dropping Mopar-related leaks. So, thanks for all the love and support. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for, watching these videos every day. But there you have it, Hemi fans. Hemi pilots are running. I'm sure you'll see them running around on the road. There'll be some spy photos and stuff, I'm sure, here in the very near future. I will be in Detroit very soon, so stay tuned for that. Not because I'm meeting with anybody from Stellantis or anything. It's more, I'm going over there for scumbag activities, but it's mostly me going over there for, to get some photos of my own and do some interesting things. I think that's the best way to do it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Are you excited? Are you excited for the Hemi's return? Because it's here. It's here. Oh, and if you haven't been here, we're right out here on the strip. We're about to go do degenerate activities for the other channel. So, it's good. It's good. I'm just waking up. It's good to wake up to Hemi news. Hemi's happening. Awesome. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And as always, stay petty, my friends.